Hi, I am Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is Shockley diode. So what is Shockley diode? Shockley diode or PNPN junction is a 4-layer diode and it has more than one junction. So it has 3 junctions, junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. This diode is named after its inventor William Shockley. This diode is not commercially available, but it is more useful in making other types of thyristors like diarc, triarc and SCR. This is the symbol of Shockley diode. It looks like the symbol of PN junction diode, but only half of the triangle is included in the symbol. It has 2 terminals, anode and cathode. Let's see about the construction of Shockley diode. So this is the two transistor model and its equivalent circuit. So the construction of the Shockley diode consists of 2 interconnected transistors, one PNP and one NPN transistor, and it has 4 layers, PNP and 4 layers, and it has 3 junctions. So let's see about the working of Shockley diode. So here the junction 1 is formed between emitter and base junction of transistor 1, and the common and base and the collector junction of T1 forms the junction 2, and the junction of base emitter of T2 forms the junction 3. So this is junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. These are the 3 junctions. So let's see about the working of Shockley diode during forward bias. So when the diode is forward biased, the anode is made positive and cathode negative. The junction 1 and junction 3 are forward biased, but the junction 2 is reverse biased. The diode exhibits high resistance so that current does not flow till the applied voltage is near the breakdown voltage. So when the voltage is increased further, junction 2 breaks and it becomes short circuit and allows current to flow. Let's see about the working of Shockley diode during reverse bias. So when the diode is reverse biased, junction 2 is forward biased and the other 2 junctions, junction 1 and junction 3 are reverse biased. When the applied external voltage exceeds the breakdown voltage, excessive heat is produced and the device gets damaged. So Shockley diode never operates in the reverse bias condition. This is the VI characteristics of Shockley diode. This is the forward current, this is the forward voltage. So this is the reverse breakdown voltage, and this is the breakover voltage, and this is the knee voltage, and this is the holding current. So only when the voltage is increased above the breakover voltage, the device is on. Till that the device will be in the off state. So the function of the Shockley diode will be higher when the current is higher than the knee voltage, when the voltage is higher than the knee voltage and the current is higher than the holding current. So when the applied external voltage is increased until it reaches the breakover voltage, the device will be in off state, and after it crosses the breakover voltage, the device will be in the on state. The function of Shockley diode is greater when the voltage applied is higher than the knee voltage and when the current is higher than the holding current. So when the current drops below the holding current, the device returns to the off state, which is the dotted line. The advantages are it has high switching speed. Since 2 transistors are connected, it is more than a transistor. Disadvantages: the manufacturing and the construction process is complex since it involves 4 layers of semiconductors. Applications are it is used as trigger switch and it is used as relaxation oscillator. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.